So, if you could pack your bags and go anywhere right now, where would you go?
Maybe Japan. The mix of tradition and technology fascinates me.
Nice choice. I've been dreaming of New Zealand. I want to hike and disconnect.
Wow, that sounds peaceful. Have you ever traveled solo?
Not yet. I've always traveled with friends or family. What about you?
I did once. Thailand. Scary at first, but I came back a different person.
I'm honestly thinking of taking a week off. No screens, no emails.
You should. I did a 3-day silent retreat last month.
Really? No talking at all?
Yup, no talking, no phone, just meditation, nature, and me.
That's wild, but also kind of inspiring.
It reset my brain. I came back calmer, more focused.
Maybe that's what I need. A break from noise.
Do you still read books?
I try, mostly audiobooks these days. You?
I love holding a real book. Something about flipping pages feels grounding.
Agreed. Any recommendations?
Atomic Habits by James Clear changed the way I view habits.
Heard of it. I'm reading Deep Work by Cal Newport.
That's on my list. Maybe we should start a reading club.
Deal. Book buddies forever.
Let's talk food. Still obsessed with butter chicken?
Always. I could eat that every day.
I've switched to healthier stuff, smoothies, quinoa, green bowls.
Wow, adulting level 100. I'm still trying to drink more water.
Laughs, small steps, but seriously, food affects everything: mood, energy, focus.
True. Maybe I'll try a smoothie tomorrow. Keyword. Maybe. You know what I hate about social media?
Everything?
Laughs, yeah, but mainly how fake it all feels sometimes.
Filters, curated lives, perfect vacations, it's exhausting.
That's why I unfollowed half the people I don't even talk to.
I did a digital cleanse too. Best decision ever.
We should normalize being offline.
Preach.
By the way, I have something to tell you.
Oh, sounds serious.
I've been working on a passion project, a mental wellness app.
Rahul, that's amazing. Why didn't you tell me sooner?
Was waiting for the right moment. And I want you to be my co-founder.
Shocked. Me? Are you serious?
Percent. Your creativity, design skills, and vibe are exactly what this needs.
I'm honored. Let's talk details. This could be huge.
Let's build something meaningful together.
Yes, let's do it. Funny how one conversation can change everything.
Sometimes, all you need is coffee and the right person to talk to.
Let's make this happen, partner.
Deal. To new beginnings.
To dreams that matter.
Hey Emily, wow, it's been ages. You haven't changed a bit.
Rahul, I can't believe it's really you. How long has it been? 5 years.
At least, so much has happened since college. How have you been?
Life's been a roller coaster, to be honest. But I'm doing well, and you?
Same here. Moved cities, changed jobs, trying to keep up with adulting.
So, tell me, what are you doing these days?
I work at a tech startup in Bangalore. We're building AI tools for education.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I've always wanted to do something meaningful like that.
It's exciting, but also exhausting. Long hours, constant deadlines.
Yeah, I get that. I'm freelancing now, mostly graphic design and content creation.
That sounds more fun than coding all day.
Sometimes it is, but freelancing can be lonely and unstable too.
Remember how we used to sit in the library and plan our futures?
Of course, you always said you'd build something that changes the world.
And you always wanted to travel the world with a sketchbook.
I did visit Europe last year. Spent a month in Italy sketching cities.
That's incredible. I'm happy you're chasing your dreams.
Thanks. And you're definitely on your way too.
Do you ever feel like you're not doing enough? Like you should be further by now?
All the time. Social media makes it worse. Everyone seems so successful.
Exactly, but I'm trying to remind myself that life isn't a race.
True, small progress is still progress. We all have our own pace.
You're right. I'm trying to enjoy the journey, not just chase results.
Have you learned how to balance work and life yet?
Honestly, not really. I still check emails at midnight sometimes.
Oh no, you need better boundaries. I used to do that too. It nearly burned me out.
I know. I'm working on it. I started journaling and meditating.
That's a great start. I try to keep Sundays screen-free.
Impressive. I should try that.
Are you still in touch with anyone from college?
A few people, mostly through social media.
Same here. Life gets busy, right?
It does. Family keeps asking when I'm getting married.
Laughs. Indian parents never give up, do they?
Never. What about you? Any special someone?
Not at the moment. Just focusing on myself right now.
Do you still paint?
Yes, it keeps me sane. What about you? Still play the guitar?
Once in a while, mostly on weekends.
We should do a jam session sometime. Art meets music.
That would be awesome. We need more of those creative escapes.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully leading my own team, maybe launching my own product.
That's ambitious. I'm thinking of starting a YouTube channel for design tutorials.
That's a brilliant idea. Your style is so unique, you'll definitely get.
Thanks. And if you ever need a designer for your app.
Deal. We'll build something amazing together someday.
This has been such a refreshing conversation. I missed this.
Me too. Let's not wait 5 more years to meet again.
Definitely not. Next time, coffee's on me.